In every class and every home, kids learn differently.
And we all want the same thing, learning that actually sticks.
ZillyPlanet keeps students engaged with immersive missions, but it's learning first, not entertainment first.
It feels like a game in the best way, focused, purposeful, and built to keep kids thinking through problems, not just tapping answers or watching passively.
Accessibility is built in, so more learners can truly show what they know. Supports help students understand the question and the strategy without giving away the thinking.
So instead of frustration, you see confidence and real comprehension you can trust. Kids get short reminders of what they've learned. Then they explore it in interactive MathLabs, where they can test ideas and see how it works. Then they jump into mastery with questions that check understanding, not memorization, choosing a strategy and showing why it works. They choose what they love: animals, space, sports, and missions adapt. So kids apply math in context and learn why it matters.
I'm saving a space station, and I have to figure out the best plan.
I'm helping a wildlife rescue, and I have to prove my answer works.
Instead of skill-by-skill streaks, ZillyPlanet mixes concepts. So students connect ideas, reason through changes, and apply what they explored in labs to validate real mastery. Practice and challenge missions are available later, so learning sticks over time. Teachers get learning paths for different groups, plus simple heat maps that show what students understand and what needs reteaching.
Parents get real insight, not just scores, plus guidance, offline tips, and rewards you control, so you can support progress in a way that fits your child.
Math is first. Science is in development now. Engineering and technology are coming.
ZillyPlanet is mission-based learning that builds critical thinking, comprehension, and real mastery.